Them girls are slick still, but I'm slicker.
Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard, and on today's episode of Why Not Wednesdays, we have guests. So, introduce yourself.
That one?
Tiffany.
And that's it?
Yeah.
When I want to do none of that?
Survive.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. So today's conversation, we'll be talking about boundaries, just overall boundaries. You see me say, whether it be with your parents, family, like friends, no matter, like just boundaries on a whole. Like, what's your stand on boundaries? Do you feel like boundaries are one thing where you have to establish, or it's like a given? So like people know the do's and don'ts. Like, do you like you feel like you're supposed to know?
Yeah.
I don't think you're supposed to know the do's and don'ts because I feel like everybody have different boundaries. I feel like if you think that people are supposed to know, that's where you're going to run into problems because what I might think is off limits or the boundaries that I have is probably normal to you. So if I just assume we're going to have problems later on with our friendships or relationships, personally, I don't have boundaries at all. One big free for all. So I don't assume anything.
Alright, so if somebody established boundaries with you, is it going to be a problem? Like, is it
No.
is it going to be hard for you to adjust to it?
It depends on what they're asking. Cause you just have to know what's for you and what's not for you. So if I'm with you and you have boundaries and you say, I can't talk to you every day because you're busy, I'm gonna stop talking to you because that's just not for me.
That's such a toxic trait, though.
No, but
It's not because I know what.
Alright, that's
I'm
what. So you're saying
willing
that?
to take.
So that's just you. That's
Yeah.
what you want. That's what you want out of a relationship. Alright, what do you know?
Hypothetically,
Hypothetically.
of course.
Of course. Alright, so what do you know? Is it me?
Yeah.
Have you ever had any issues where somebody just like you're like, nah, we're not on the level there, or you're like there has to be you had to establish the boundary. Like you had to be the one to say, yo.
I mean,
no.
alright, just like how persons have like as I said, person can establish their own boundaries or have vision of boundaries. Person
Yeah.
also have perception of space. Everybody have a different perception of space, you see me? Like, what's my personal space that you shouldn't enter? Like, what my zone, you see me? What's my area that I don't want nobody else enter right now, or especially on a certain level?
Whether physical or just like
Or like just
on a whole.
on a whole.
Like lines where you have to cross.
Yeah, so like you have situations where like, especially if me and a person are good, them do something where I guess it could be harmless.
As in you're the person not good, as in something happened, or you're them are just another type of friend.
Yeah, when it's something that type of friend, isn't it?
Okay.
And like something can happen, but even though to on my regular friends, and I say, okay, it's fine. But for you, I feel like say we're on a level yet. You see me? So I guess, but in that instance, if I just state your boundaries again, as you said.
Yeah, like
I don't think you should leave it up to chance or up to.
yeah, because alright, for example, now I guess me fall short there so, because some people just expect people to know.
Like what?
Like some alright, for example, alright, I'm going to literally tell you how the conversation, how we get right on the topic here. There was an incident when I'm bridging, Zin, and this is the whole story. When I'm bridging, me that one test. We did a class, me that one test.
Yeah.
So I was kind of naturally like on the edge. You know, nobody want to test. Annoying. So man called me. I'm say, yo, what going? When I'm coming at me on, if you drop one girl with the me on. No, listen. First of all, I'm not even fucking with the one test. Not even fucking with the one test. Like, I'm not even fucking. That wasn't even that wasn't even where I said no, but annoying. It was just like maybe left my yard. Isn't me? Come a your yard. For that girl, a fear yard.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Like who? Like why you not ask that of me, brother?
It depends. Sometimes.
Depends on the type of.
Yeah.
No man, I'm explaining the situation.
Yeah.
A scheme man live in the same scheme as me. Girl live in the same scheme as me. Girl can walk her yard, brother. I don't like oh something happened and like for example, if you have to come a town from country, if you have to go for forward a town and something important, forward. And you know certain things we can ask me for forward a town for. You see me? For example, if you're there town and something happened and you never right for forward back down, so you can say, yo dog, you can come pick me up and we forward. We don't call me a town and say, yo Wayne, If a girl pick you out on a dog, what you can do? You can show for away. Like, no, like that.
Yo, we're going a long time no talk.
Exactly. You listen, like, we just feel like say certain things enough is said.
So you address it afterwards? Wait, first of all, you carry her home?
No, no. Like,
Oh,
no. But I don't think I handle the situation well. I'm telling me they do. And this is like, this is me being like dark and petty. Me say,
City boy stay winning.
me say, yo, beep off. You see me? Can't split stuff. Me say off. You see me? Cause what kind of police are calling for dog? You see me?
That's just a weird approach.
And the man laugh. No, like him say, no, like man call me and say, like, you can't go. What's that police are calling for dog? Me never want test. You see me? Later. Hang up the phone. You see me?
Couldn't you have like on time on anything there?
Them have service. Do they? Them have services.
No.
No, they won't have delivery service. Them no.
Did-
A food delivery service.
Yeah, like a bike man.
Yeah, I buy man say yo, carry some food. Alright, you go by the side there. Carry on the bottom. Don't have now. Yo, that's one good business idea though, you know.
Funny, brother.
That's one good business idea though, you know.
So start it.
But talk to somebody who have enough car. Or like a car rental place and tell them say yo. Anyways, next time machine. So, what I say is, no, like what is that calling for? Me no want test first of all.
Yeah.
But then, man's try ring me back. You see me? I hang up, try back again, I hang up. Man called Askia.
Hold on,
What?
no.
The man called
Askia.
The man called Askia. The man called Askia.
Yeah, sure.
You see me?
Yanni come out and see him belly. Must.
Like same
Must.
time to like. So the man called Askia. So I say yo, Askia say yo, cause we know me Askia do the test together, isn't it? So man say, So man say, Askia come and Askia say yo, I even know. So I say dog, hang up brother. You see me? Man take some phone dog, some block him. Cause me do one test, like you know you need a phone when you have the test. Man better some block him.
You
And-
have a phone on your test?
Yeah, in case like your mother have emergency, she need to call it. So I block him, you see me? And when he just really pissed off, so I just never unblock him till like 2 months after. Cause like I was just really annoyed, brother. Like no.
But I reason know why you should also why you should
Send me
always.
out a test. Like if you send me out one test, I just feel like that's enough reason to say, alright, cool dog. Like no say dog, please. No say please if you send me out one test. What kind of friend you be if me out one test and you're not here?
But again, the boundaries. That's why it's good to establish boundaries because in your head, what if you say okay, men are done, not depend on the level.
Yeah.
But in a female, they must say, you know, say we
That's
have
my growth
emergency
for
still.
life. We grew up together.
My
We
slime.
same.
Whenever people like feel like when they're on the level, when they're on the level.
Yeah, and that's why you establish boundaries.
Like people you talk to and in a film head, yeah, my besties, but really and truly, like we just talk.
Yeah. but that's-
Yeah,
Like,
but
what
as
is-
long as them not pass them place, it's fine. You can think that.
One time they put somebody in them place, they try on a mother joke dog. We
Hell
don't
no.
play that. We don't play that. We don't play that.
Man.
To this day,
You're mad.
to this day, I never. We don't get know some people just like run joke about that. Something about that. No. They're not casual. That's not something you just say. Like, oh, you move on from that. Your friend is because like your friend chat them and say, oh, something about that. That's not something you just say.
I feel like all them something that like feel like we kind of wake up to it because back in the day we say,
No, that's what I say. Like, so I guess on the right. So like, you really have to talk about boundaries because for some person where them come from, that's alright to say.
yeah.
That's alright to say. Like for some persons where them come from, it's alright to just borrow your car key and drive your car.
Yeah. Yes, I think
Like we don't say nothing to you. You get what I'm saying? But I'm like, close to them, we can't just drive them on the car. You're mad? First I hear gas money. You gotta hear about how much gas in your car. You gotta hear since suppose something happen. Like you gotta hear the one of the what ifs. You get what I'm saying? But someone, you just come on man, you just wake up on your car the day. I say, oh, you have a car and say yeah, and that's it that.
Hold on now. In a relationship, in a new bond, right? Do you establish boundaries primarily or as you go along?
Depends on what type of relationship though.
Time depends what
Intimate,
the type
intimate,
of
like
person
like
you
intimate.
are.
Your girlfriend.
Like a girlfriend. Nah, I feel like with those, it's from the get-go type of vibe.
I think that's best, but in reality, it's probably something that you establish as time goes by.
No, but I feel like what you can talk about now, you talk about now. I think certain things y'all get to know about your person. You get what I'm saying? Like certain things y'all get to know, but like some things, like from the get, you have to start talking about this. Like you have mentioned, say, for example, you can't go every day.
Yeah, but
Like if you don't like that, like you don't want a girl with a run every day now.
I mean, but
First of all,
I think
if
saying
If I
yeah.
go on road. But
Nobody want to go on the road every day. You want somebody to go on the road every day? Like a brav every day?
Then we're not gonna take up somebody who go on the road
Exactly.
every
So like
day.
somebody be a brav every day.
But it's not like we're not take up people who are going on the road every day.
No, that's what I
Say,
said.
Stop.
No, that's
You can't do that.
hey, like stop. But when I say like them thing they talk about from the get go, like you make them know from the get go. Say yo, alright. First of all, like me not appreciate them type of thing.
I feel
But-
like
And like if you can't agree and say
that's not
alright,
really get good. That's probably along the lines because me not gonna say like there's no issue before and then I say hey by the way if you want goats every day you can't go. Like that's a little weird. So you probably wait till she goes every day and say hey stop that.
but I guess it's weird because certain things when you're alright when the relationship just start, when more feelings develop, it kind of weird. You get what I'm saying? So like people always say, oh, don't switch up or whatever. But change naturally in our relationship.
Yeah.
Change natural because if me and just start talk, like certain things are just free for y'all. You see what I'm saying?
Huh?
Certain things. are
Like
just
what?
like I don't know. I can be on the, for example, if me and y'all talk now, I can be on the phone like any hours a night with like my other female friend and man, like that's at least. But like more feelings start develop, me can answer to you say, oh by the way, give me a second, me I talk with somebody. You get what I'm saying? Like if you try to call, like if she try to call you, you can't go say, oh give me a second, me I talk to Tiffany. So I'm like, why you can't help Tiffany? You get what I'm saying? Well, like when initially, like them shit did alright. You get what I'm saying? So certain things change as so is it a case where as you say, along the way, but still you have to constantly update boundaries.
Yeah, basically.
And they can't like say sometimes if from the get go you say, okay, first of all, you can't search my phone, you can't do this, you can't hey man.
Hey, that's a
phone.
that's a red flag in
go.
the
It comes off as red flag when like you just say, look them in the rules, bam 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 bam.
You're in our own.
You see me in our own. that kind of
Deal or no deal,
like accept it or not. You see me, and that kind of come off as a red flag. So it's really truly along the way. Cause it kind of come off as controlling.
If you're strict with it and say yo, this are me, and like there's no flexibility, this are me. Like me now go stretch go the way or the way. So it's either you work with me the right or so, or it's not gonna work.
But since we on the topic,
Yes sir.
how the search phone thing going on?
Tiffany, as a girl, want to hear your opinion.
On?
You feel like it is like a mandate thing, like you feel like you're supposed to search your mom?
No, that's wrong. But it is wrong. You can't deny that it's wrong.
I just feel like
And that's your boundary, like your
yeah,
privacy.
it's like
That's not even boundary. That's not just right or wrong.
respect, dog. Like
Yeah.
Respect.
it's like me need this amount of me. You get what I'm saying? It's like within our relationship, but I need this for myself. Cause the conversation with me and they wanna go have, you as my girlfriend, not gonna like it.
What is this conversation?
Man, they gonna probably see one fat bossy girl. like dog, yo, she take
She
dog.
invited to the Bible study.
She take
You
dog.
wouldn't have a problem with that.
We're not who the act on it. If you ever say, but we talk about it.
Wouldn't you?
No.
No,
Where's it just cool?
like me say me not act on it. It's not this someone. So like we're not like who the act on it, but at the same time we talk about it. But you would have want like you would have want it. You get what I'm saying? So like you looking at my phone and you are look for an issue. Like you look for a reason to be upset.
Yeah, like
So like me not gonna no girl phone.
you just want to be vexed.
Dog, me sure me I see something me not like. Me sure. Cause I just how we brain work, dog.
Yo, I'm more a man, you got fragile in dog. Yo, I could have something simple, make me ever see it.
They go on.
Brother, me lose sleep over it, you know?
Looking out.
Me lose sleep. Yo, me lose sleep.
Going all a girl's phone,
Blood
brother.
pressure.
Going all a girl's phone and see a next man name save us all. Breadfruit. Like why you can't give him right name? Like what happened? What happened? Like what link to it? Breadfruit hard. Like breadfruit hard. Like
Why Flo text you?
what is story?
What in the morning?
Flo.
Hey, me get you up?
But stuff like that.
And the killer line in there.
Search.
Hey, we get you up. Alright.
You just see pop up.
Alright, if you were to search somebody's phone, like hypothetically,
Yeah.
like what would have to happen for you to say, yo, I'm gonna get a phone there one pray? What would have to happen?
You just don't trust them.
But alright, so if you don't trust somebody, why not just leave?
Because you won't trust them, but it's just like there's suspicion
Yeah.
there, and you're just like, I
You
don't
want
want to leave this person because what if? It's just a lot of what if. So you
But
just
the
say,
same-
alright, let me just confirm it, or let me just get over it.
But the way me look at it is like, if you ask a question and you don't believe me, what the point?
It's not that easy because people have emotions and feelings, and their brain go all over the place.
I guess me a fool. If I ask, if you feel like I give bun, I'm asking if I give bun. I say no. I believe you.
You what?
Alright.
If
What
if
if you suspect it and like
No, man.
you don't really have proof?
Yeah, exactly. It's like me not proof, but if I have a feeling like.
But should she hide her phone every time you come?
No. That's what I tell us. Like, I guess me a girl clone because like if you feel like a girl like me bun, I mean her there. You see me? I literally ask me say like, yeah, she for me. If she say no, I'm gonna believe her. Like just like
As you
that.
should.
Like just like that. Like me not. That's what I said. I don't know what it would take to
That's
get to
what
the point.
relationships should
Bro,
be
like,
about.
like even if I like weeks, me suspect something. You see, mom, me ask her, she said no, I believe her, and I hate that.
Them girls are slick still, but me slicker.
But slicker.
Shit, probably not.
I think on that note we can end with that note. So, yo, I swear, we could have the conversation now forever. But for real, on that note, them people are slick, but we're slicker. So, on that note, thanks guys. This has been another episode of Why Not Wednesdays. As usual, if you're new, subscribe. And don't forget to tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Big up on yourself, we gone.